Hey gearheads, get ready for an exciting update on the 2025 Subaru WRX. This iconic sports car is back, and it's better than ever. From new trims to advanced features, you won't want to miss this. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Stay tuned for all the latest in the automotive world. So, what's new with the 2025 Subaru WRX? Although it's a carryover model, there are some significant updates that you'll want to know about. First up, the high-performance TR trim from the 2024 lineup is being replaced by the all-new TS trim. This TS trim is manual only and takes the game performance up a notch. It comes with a digital gauge cluster, various appearance upgrades, and improved electronic dampers with tuning from the STI. This means a smoother, more responsive ride that's sure to thrill. Styling-wise, the WRX continues to impress with its aggressive design. You'll still see the signature hood scoop, angular front fascia, quad exhaust outlets, and black lower body cladding. Inside, it seats 5 and features a flat-bottom steering wheel, red stitching, and an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen. When it comes to equipment, the 2025 WRX doesn't disappoint. You can enjoy a Harman Kardon sound system, adaptive headlights, and upgraded braking and suspension systems. Under the hood, the WRX sticks with its turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 271 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. All-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission come standard, but you can opt for a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT if you prefer. In terms of pricing, the WRX remains competitive. The base model starts at $33,155, including destination fees, and goes up to $45,335 for the top-tier GT. Expect these prices to adjust slightly due to inflation. Mark your calendars because the 2025 WRX is expected to hit dealerships in early 2025. Whether you're a longtime fan or a potential new owner, this latest model promises to deliver the performance and style that Subaru enthusiasts love. That's all for today's update on the 2025 Subaru WRX. If you're as excited as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more car news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.